This is a super cute idea for an Instagram birthday story. You're going to start off by taking a random photo on your camera roll. Next, you're going to use a photo that you've copied from your camera roll and paste it into the app. For a second image, you're going to go back into your camera roll and select your second photo, copy it like so, and paste this one into the app. Next, you're going to adjust the photos to the right size and placement. Follow this up by typing the word birthday in the modern font. You can readjust the sizing and positioning of the words by dragging it. After you finish this step, you're going to want to save it. From this point, you are going to go into your camera roll and pick the photo that you've just saved. You're going to work from that. Next, go into the word tools and type in a period, followed by a bunch of spaces. It's best to go until the end of the screen. Click the background highlight button to highlight all the white space, and now use your selector tool to select the background color and turn the bar to the middle of the birthday. If it's too big, you're going to have to go to the tool on the left hand side and drag it all the way down to the bottom and type in more space bars until you get a longer bar, and then adjust it. You want it to be centered right over the middle of the word birthday. After this point, you're going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So again, you're going to type in a period, use all the spaces that you can, and then you're going to click the background button, adjust it, and use the color marking tool and use the other bar that you've already placed to get the perfect color. Again, if the sizing doesn't fit, you're going to adjust it on the left hand side to the perfect size, and if it doesn't fit yet again, click it again, and you're going to type in more spaces. You're going to make sure that both bars line up to go straight through the word birthday. The next step in the process is going back into your word tool and typing in the words happy birthday. What you're going to do for this is you're going to put a circle at the beginning and at the end, and you're going to type each letter in and put a space between them. And then you're going to go on the left hand side and make it smaller so that it can fit. The tool that you want to use for the font is the fourth one in. After you're done adjusting it to the size of your liking, you're going to go to the color tool and turn it black, and then position it sideways in the middle of the word birthday. A great tip is actually taking this entire happy birthday, selecting all, and copying it, because you're going to have to paste that in and do another happy birthday with the same font the opposite way. This one is white, so that just saves you a ton of time, and then you can adjust that right into the very middle. At this point, you can feel free to save it. Otherwise, you're going to go into the last step, which is decorating it. You're going to go into your drawing tools, and you're going to select the neon tool and then the regular marker tool. The neon tool in white can create some little dots around the edges, and then you can adjust the sizing by going to the tool on the left and going up for bigger and down for smaller, and just adding them in wherever you see fit. This is what the final product should look like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
For more free Instagram tips, subscribe to my YouTube. Also check out my Instagram and my TikTok.